show you a few tips on how to install a 2014 Chevy GMC rear clamp. We start by installing our protective pad. Make sure you have your clamp orientation correct. Lower it into the hole, push the bottom back, raise your cap up to allow the clamp to fall in behind. I've assembled my fish wire to my bolt. I'm going to raise the clamp up, hold it in place, use my fish wire to pull the bolt through the clamp. While holding the back of the clamp, remove your fish wire, place the other clamp half on the bolt, and just start your nut. While holding the back half of the clamp up into position, we want to align our front half to meet it. Finger tighten the nut, making sure that our teeth are engaged, and then finish up with a wrench. We hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching.